A brighter you. Cicatricure Brightening Cream will help give your face a healthy glow, fading dark spots and unifying skin tone with daily use. Gift your skin a daily dose of hydrating moisturizer to restore a healthier, younger-looking appearance. Advanced UV protection. Start your day with this brightening face moisturizer, featuring Q Acetyl 10 to help improve the appearance of deep wrinkles and expression lines. Broad spectrum SPF 20 will help protect your skin from the sun's damaging UV rays. Brighten your morning. This daily moisturizing face cream is formulated to fight dullness, even out skin tone and fade the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Treat yourself every morning to reveal a more radiant complexion. Suitable for all skin types. Discover a new, more radiant side. We offer a full line of skincare products to take care of your skin body. An innovative product line with anti-wrinkle day-night creams, brightening creams, micellar water cleansers, sunscreens, scar gels. Empower your beauty. We want the best for your skin at every age stage of your life. That's why we're always innovating to create the best skincare formulas with exclusive ingredients leading beauty technologies. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Besides protecting you from the sun, this leaves your skin really hydrated. I really like the texture of it, to really smooth and silky.